Dude, I love enjoying it like this. What is going on, boys and girls? Welcome back to another... Dude, you just hit doors. Are you okay? What is going on, boys and girls? Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be fairly busy. This is not like the video that you've just saw, even though I'm literally wearing the exact same. I literally wear the same thing in every video, don't I?
So do I. The only jumpers I own is North Face.
Guys, I do have other coats than this, and this is just extremely cold in England at the minute. And I haven't done my hair as well, so please excuse me. Matt has never done his hair in a video, so he's alright, but...
I can't afford to get it cut. My dad has to cut it for me to spend all the money on the TT.
Please like the video, guys, so Matty can get a haircut. Today, guys, we are going to be working on the TT once again, because you boys and girls are loving these type of videos. So if you are as well loving these videos just as much as we think you are, make sure as well you drop a like, drop a comment on the video, and as well, make sure you subscribe, guys. Smash it! Smash the subscribe button, boys and girls. We are so close to 4K as well. It's something that I really want to hit before Christmas, because it'd be a really nice Christmas present for myself and obviously the person who's bought the shit car, aka Matty. What are we doing today?
We are fixing the brake light issue. Yeah.
So after fixing obviously the pod and stuff like that, we have come to a bit of an issue. So at the end of, what was it, the end of the video with Matty in, I'll link a link up here, guys, go watch that video. But yeah, Matty had an issue kind of fixing this light here. We are still having issues sometimes as well. We can't really understand what is wrong with it. If you press the brake light, will it come on now?
Oh yeah, it can do.
Oh, okay.
That's good. It's just there's no side lights.
But yeah, there's no brake lights up here as well. So you on the this obviously is meant to light up as well. There's no brake lights here, so we're going to investigate as to why that is broken. So in the last video as well, we had a look at the issues as well. What is kind of going on with this car, with the OBD reader. And one of the issues that came up was the light switch. I'll probably insert a clip of me showing you guys. So these are the two faults obviously we're having at the minute. Yeah, but it said the brake light switch, which is located, where's it located, Matty?
On top of the brake.
Where's, oh, what, down here?
Yeah.
Oh, right, I thought you was joking.
No, it's the brake light switch. So it should switch when you press the brake, right? Because it is a brake light switch.
Oh yeah, good meme. So Matt is, at the minute, just trying to find the hole. Dude, don't whisper that ever again, bro. Matt is going to start by taking off all this lower trim off. What do we have to do to take this trim off, Matt? Is it like three T25s
here?
So one there, and one here?
Yeah, but that one's not there because I snapped it when I took it out the first time.
Okay.
Just...
What the hell? What?
What?
I didn't know you could push it in.
Of course you can.
I never knew that. What the hell? Guys, what?
You can push it in and out, up and down, look.
I only thought you could go in and out. I never knew you could push it in. That's crazy.
Yeah, so what?
The whole time, dude, it's been like mega close and I didn't realise.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Do you know about this little thing?
Yeah.
Look at that. It's like a mini sun visor, bro.
Yeah, but it's for your glasses.
What?
Your glasses fit in there. Look, there's a glasses holder.
No, there is. I'm gonna go be a supportive member or friend, should I say, and just sit in the passenger seat and just yell shit at him. Also, as well, shout out OBD11. But yeah, go watch that video, boys. Go watch it. Are you past your BTEC then? Yeah.
Yeah, I'm actually a level 2 qualified trained mechanic in this. I've actually taken up a part of fuel pump before, so this is where this comes in handy. Took apart a whole fuel pump before, so.
Did you know as well, if you open up your mouth more, it allows you to concentrate further?
Really?
Yeah, seriously, try it. Guys, we'll be right back after this is done, because Matt is...
Ah! Hold on. Please, can you find the hole for me? Do you feel it?
Feel it in my fingers.
I feel it in my nose. So what a banger that was. I think I remember playing that a lot.
Call of Duty is all around me. Shit on it, Jackie!
Remix to ignition. I'm vaping in the kitchen. Mama rolling the body, got every man in here wishing. Sipping on coke and rum. I'm like, so what, I'm brewing. It is the freaking weekend, baby, about to have me some fun. Audi TT. You just yanked.
Dude, you can't say that word.
Sorry, yanked the nice, respectful young woman. Hold on, hold on.
Come on, that dude. Oh, dude. Just disrespected the camera.
You have to be nice and gentle.
Hold on, mouth open, mouth open. Yay. It is out, yes.
This is the problem.
I literally can't even see.
Now, if we do that, keep press the brake for me now. You're pressing it.
Yeah, press it now.
So yeah, that unplugs the brake light switch. So if you move your head, we take this brake light switch, plug it back in. Like that. There you go, that's back in. Now, oh, ABS light is blinking, that's what we like. Right, press the brake.
Pressed it.
Keep pressing. Yeah, it's fucked. It's something here. There's something fucked up down here.
I literally don't know what it can be.
Okay, where does that go?
One sec, is that meant to go on the earth?
No. Go.
That's just that. So, do you want to just explain what went on? Right, so boys and girls, we've just been messing around for like 30 minutes, like we didn't really know what we were doing.
Well, we did.
And yeah, we kind of did. Not really. Underneath here, as you guys saw, it was like kind of messing around. The guy before left all this like weird wiring in and stuff like this, and this was like connected to a plug that went into here, then went into the washer fluid. But yeah, don't worry about that. But there was one of these relays at the back here that I think Matty pushed in. What do you say? You pushed it in a little bit further and it clicked?
Well, I took all the relays out to look for the cooling fan relay before, and then I'm putting it back in. I must have not pushed it hard enough, so it wasn't fully clipped in.
Right, boys, so that is obviously why. So now, if Matty obviously put the full side lights on, so all the lights are on. So this one obviously is meant to be on, this one goes lighter when you press the brake, and this one is just a side light, which is always on, which you guys can see. That side was all right, and this side, boom! We've got the side lights on, boys. Don't worry about this is just a bulb that's gone out. But yeah, Matty, go and press the brake, dude. Do the honours for the boys. Yeah. And obviously as well, this didn't work before.
Boom.
Look at that. And again, just show the boys and girls. Yo, let's go. But we fixed it.
One problem down, 75,000 to go.
Yo, yeah. So we're gonna jump the car, boys and girls, but yeah, we've managed to fix it. We actually fixed something. Yes. I literally can't believe this.
We fixed something that I broke.
We fixed something. Yeah, so we didn't really have to fix it, just you broke it in the first place, but yeah. Yeah. Matty just chucked his leg in the door. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you as well for staying tuned for these type of videos. We love making these videos and hopefully you guys are enjoying them too. Thank you guys so much for watching. I've been Josh, this has been Matti, and that is our POV. Peace out, guys. Say you wanna get away. I literally don't know what it can be.
Okay, where does that go?
One sec, is that meant to go on the earth?
No. It's not.
How do you know?
Because they came together with the button.
Mate, I'm almost certain that's your issue.
No, I don't. 100%.
I bet money on it. Because... Oh, yeah, fuck off.
Oi!
You probably shouldn't have done that.
Yeah.
We don't need a plane, I could be your escape. take you to a place where there's no time.